On September 30, 1963, Governor Frank Clement signed Executive Order 18, creating the Tennessee Human Relations Commission. Originally, the commission had 21 members who were charged with the powers to encourage, promote, and develop fair and equal treatment and opportunity for all persons, regardless of race, color, creed, or national origin, to coordinate and assist local government agencies and local commissions on human relations, to cooperate with the Tennessee Council on Human Relations and other community, professional, civic, federal agencies, and religious organizations, as well as conduct research projects and studies and make reports on race relations in Tennessee. In 1967, the legislature created the Tennessee Commission on Human Development, incorporated the duties of the previous Tennessee Human Relations Commission, as well as developed rules and regulations to govern its proceedings, and added a prohibition against sex discrimination. In 1978, the Tennessee Human Rights Act became law, which transformed the Commission from an advisory to an enforcement organization with powers to investigate, conciliate, and litigate claims of discrimination. Commissioner Jocelyn Wurzburg, a Memphian, wrote the law and convinced state senators Avon Williams and Victor Ashe to be its sponsors in the Tennessee General Assembly. Amendments to the law in 1979 and 1980 expanded protections to include disability and age. In 1983, the name of the commission officially became the Tennessee Human Rights Commission. In 1984, provisions were added prohibiting discrimination in housing. In 1990, these housing provisions were expanded to include protections based on familial status and disability. In 2009, the Tennessee Human Rights Act was once again expanded, giving the Commission the authority to confirm that state departments and agencies who receive federal funding are in compliance with the requirements of Title VI of the Civil Rights Act of 1964, which prohibits discrimination based on race, color, or national origins for entities receiving federal financial assistance. Today, the Tennessee Human Rights Act prohibits discrimination based on race, color, creed, national origin, religion, sex, age, disability, familial status in housing, and retaliation in employment, housing, and public accommodations. The Commission developed partnerships with the U.S. Employment Equal Opportunity Commission in 1979 and the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development in 1994. These partnerships allow the Tennessee Human Rights Commission to extend federal protections to persons alleging discrimination. The Commission is comprised of a 15-member Board of Commissioners with a staff of 29 in 4 offices located in Nashville, Memphis, Chattanooga, and Knoxville. The Commission's primary function is to receive, mediate, investigate, conciliate, and when necessary, litigate allegations of discrimination. Throughout its history, the Commission has partnered and worked with community, government officials, civic and civil rights groups to conduct outreach, provide education, modify laws, develop new policies, and highlight civil rights issues which have led to change. Since its creation, the Commission has used education and outreach to help the public understand their rights under the law. Through the collaborations with a variety of organizations and groups, the Commission has developed training for employers, housing providers, providers of public accommodations, and state agencies to assist them in meeting their responsibilities under the law. These efforts has resulted in the holding of informational hearings, employment law seminars, fair housing events, roundtable discussions, numerous training sessions, and participation in numerous community meetings and events across the state. Through mediation and conciliation, the Commission has obtained both non-monetary and monetary benefits. Non-monetary benefits have included reinstatement of jobs, transfers, promotions, modifications or accommodations, reinstatement of housing, fair housing and equal opportunity training, improved working conditions, and policy changes. Monetary benefits of more than $15 million have been provided to victims of discrimination in our history. These have included back pay, raises, attorney's fees, settlements and damages, return of rental deposits, and modifications to housing. The Tennessee Human Rights Commission continues to work to ensure that Tennessee is a place where everyone has equal access and everyone is treated with respect.